everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 8 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1925. Count square some triples. So very easy problem. A square triple ABC is a triple where A, B and C are integers and A square plus B square it should be equal to C square, right? We have given an integer n. We have to return the number of square triples such that A, B and C value it should be greater than equal to 1 and it should be less than equal to n, right? So here see example number 1, n is equal to 5. So that simply means that we have these many options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? To pick A, B and C such that A square plus B square it should be equal to C square, right? So here if you see this, the square triples are 3, 4, 5. So here 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, so it is equal to 5 square, that is nothing but 25, right? Correct. Here 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9 and it is also equal to 5 square, that is 25, right? So these are valid square triples, right? So this is what we need to do, right? So here this you know, right? A, B, C value it can be from 1 to 5, anything, right? And this is possible, right? A is this 3 and B is 4. Here A is 4 and B is 3. This is also possible, right? So this is what we need to do, right? So here if you see constant size is very small, right? N is from 1 to 250, right? So what I'm going to do here, how I'm going to solve this problem? So n is equal to 5, let's say example number 1, right? So here you can use this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So let's say I didn't select A and B yet. I didn't select any A and B yet, right? But what can be my C? My C can be all these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And what is the value of my C square? My C square value is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25, right? So I can do one thing, right? I have to pick A and B later on, right? So for A and B I can run two loops, right? I can run two loops. For A is equal to 1 to 5 and same way for B also I'm going to run one loop from 1 to 5, right? And the overall sum how I'm going to get of these two, I will do like this: A square plus B square, right? This is how I'm going to calculate, right? Now since we have to just return the count of this, right? This and this we have to return the count, overall count, right? So definitely I'm going to create one count variable and I'm going to set it to 0, right? So now here let's say, see, when I'm doing the square, right? When I'm doing the square of all these values, this is the max value that I'm going to get, right? This is the max value I'm going to get, right? So I can do one thing. I'm going to create one boolean is square named array, right? I'm going to create one boolean is square named array, right? In that array I'm just going to give the size as max value can be uh, n square, right? 25, and our boolean array it is always going to start from 0, right? Actually, right? So I can do +1, right? So in overall we can have 26 values, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Overall 26, right? So that is why I'm going to write it like this. And here only these values I'm going to set to true, right? So these values are nothing but squares of different C values. Only these values I'm going to set to true. All other values in my boolean from 0 to 25, 0 to 25, right? Overall 26. I'm going to set to false. Only these are true, right? So here, whatever I'm going to get the sum, right? So I'm just going to make sure that overall sum I'm going to get, it should be less than equal to the max value, right? That is nothing but n square, right? And is square, right? Boolean is square, and in this square I'm going to pass the sum and just I'm going to check if it is true value. So if it is true, then simply means that I found one triple. Then I'm just going to do count plus plus. That's it. Very simple, very simple problem, right? Let's write the code. Nothing complex here, right? Very easy problem. So here what you need to do, first we have to store all the squares in a set for quick lookup. So I'm going to create one boolean is square is equal to new boolean, and here n into n plus 1, right? This is what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to run one loop for int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, and here I plus plus, and here is square of I into I. I'm going to set it to true, right? Very easy, right? Then after that I'm going to take one variable int count and I'm going to set it to 0, and then I'm going to try all the pairs of a and b, right? So I can run loops, right? So here I'm going to run one loop for int, let's say a, right? This is a loop that I'm going to run, right? Same way I'm going to run one more loop for b, right? Int b is equal to 1, right? This is the loop that I'm going to run. Now inside this I'm just going to calculate the sum as nothing but a into a plus b into b, right? So this is how I'm going to calculate the sum. And here if this sum value is less than equal to n into n, and here this is square of some value if it is true, right? In that case just simply do count plus plus, and in the end here you have to return count. That's it. Should be a here as well, right? And same way here it should be b and it should be b, right? So now let's run it. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. The time complexity for this problem is going to be of n square because of these two nested loops, right? And this is just running off n time. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.